The clock is ticking on the global financial system. Your savings, your retirement, and your purchasing power are burning away. But while you are told everything is fine, the insiders are quietly moving their money. In 2025, central banks bought gold at the fastest pace in history. They are dumping the dollar. They are preparing for a shift. And if you don't understand why they are doing this, you were the one paying the price. For decades, the US dollar was king. It was as good as gold. But that trust is breaking. The world is waking up to a new reality. The US government is now adding $1 trillion in debt every 100 days. That is not sustainable. It is mathematical suicide. Countries like Poland, China, and Singapore see the writing on the wall. They know that when the debt bubble bursts, paper money burns. But gold? Gold has no counterparty risk. You don't need to trust a government to give gold its value. It is the only asset that is not someone else's liability. Let's look at the insider truth nobody talks about on the news. The U.S. has $38 trillion in debt. They cannot pay it back. If they raise taxes, the economy collapses. If they cut spending, the voters revolt. So they have only one option left: inflation. They will print the money to pay the debt. This devalues every single dollar in your pocket. It's a hidden tax. You don't see it on your paycheck, but you feel it at the grocery store. The central banks know this. That is why they are trading paper for metal. They are exiting the burning building before the alarm goes off. There is another reason for this shift: trust. In 2022, the U.S. froze Russian assets. They weaponized the dollar. The world watched in shock. Every country asked, "Are we next?" If you hold your savings in dollars, Washington can turn it off like a light switch. This accelerated the move to gold. Gold cannot be frozen. It cannot be hacked. It cannot be deleted by a sanction. It is the ultimate insurance policy in a world of geopolitical chaos. So what does this mean for you living in the real world? It means the era of cheap money is over. It means keeping 100% of your wealth in cash is now a risky bet. The rich are buying assets. The poor are hoarding cash. This is the greatest wealth transfer of our lifetime. You are not losing money because the market is crashing. You are losing money because the measuring stick, the dollar, is shrinking. I am not telling you to panic. I am telling you to pay attention. Follow the smart money. Watch what the central banks do, not what they say. Diversify. Own things that are real, because when the music stops, you don't want to be the one holding the empty bag. The reset is already here. Are you ready? Subscribe for more unauthorized financial truth.